Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious rice upma step by step. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rice, which should be soaked for at least 30 minutes. Also, prepare 1 medium onion, 1 green chili, and a few fresh curry leaves, all finely chopped. Have 1.5 cups of water measured and ready to add later. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process for your delicious rice upma. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add 1 teaspoon each of urad dal and chana dal. Sauté these ingredients gently until they turn a beautiful golden brown, releasing their aromatic flavors into the oil. Now, add your chopped onions, green chili, and curry leaves to the pan. Sauté them until the onions become soft and translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, drain the soaked rice thoroughly and add it to the pan. Stir the rice continuously for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to lightly toast and absorb the flavors. Finally, pour in 1.5 cups of water and add salt to your taste. Give it a good stir to combine everything evenly. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook on a low flame for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until all the water is absorbed and the rice is tender. Garnish with fresh coriander and serve your warm, flavorful rice upma immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.